We are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank, and I'm joined by the whole crew today.
We're all here.
We are all here. Beautiful Val, we have Tomas, and Chef Laurent Zarate, who always gets to share some of his fantastic recipes with us. And so over the years doing Washington Grown, I have eaten many a mushroom, as you just saw. We went to a couple mushroom farms, and I'm learning. It's never usually my favorite thing to eat, but I'm learning. I'm expanding.
It's a texture thing. It's a flavor.
It's an all thing.
Okay.
And I'm at the other end of the spectrum.
Yeah, you love them.
I have loved mushrooms since I was a little girl.
That's awesome.
And I'm in the middle, just like I am here. So I don't mind a mushroom every now and then. It depends, but But I don't know that I would go for a mushroom soup.
Oh, love it.
Just happy that these farmers share with us how it's done.
Especially when it's just behind a closed door in an apartment complex.
Right.
You don't think that's a farm behind there.
There are not many farms in downtown Seattle.
Right.
No, but it's super unique.
I was in the Walla Walla area, and again, it was just this little side of the road shed.
Let's go in this shed. Come on, Val. We're going to be making something with mushrooms today.
I know, and it's a test of a taste.
Oh, great.
Today. We're gonna have a dish that I used to do at Fleur de Sel, my former restaurant, where we had a snail with a creamy cognac sauce with mushroom.
Okay.
And I love that dish. People love that dish, and I wanted to share it with you today.
So you're throwing mushrooms at me and snails.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Maybe not.
Well, we'll see.
I'm going to be brave.
All right, Pete.
You've never steered us wrong, so.
Well,
Right, you never steered us wrong.
until.
Let's see how it's made first.
Yeah, let's see how it's made.
Okay, here's the test,
This
right?
looks so pretty.
It
is
Looks
beautiful.
really good.
And it's just about the texture, so don't think about what
I'm
you're
gonna take
eating.
a lot of time putting my napkin on
And
my
they're
lap.
beautiful. They're small,
Let's get right into this. It almost reminds me of like a beef stroganoff.
like a stew. Yeah, it could be a stew, but it's a pan sauce. So you do everything at the last minute.
Right.
You have all your components, and you saute your mushroom, your snails. You deglaze with a brandy, a cognac, and then a little bit of stock and your cream. Spices. I think there's a little tarragon in
So
the
it kind
recipe.
of all just absorbs.
Yep. And don't be
flavors
afraid
that-
to sauce it. Just put a lot of sauce.
Yeah.
And if you don't like the snail, don't put snails, but use this recipe for something else.
And that's what's divine is the
The
sauce.
sauce, yep.
And in my tradition, when you really like it, you sop it up.
There you go.
So as a mushroom lover, what do you think?
This is wonderful. I really like the sauce. I feel like it's the secret
agree.
to discovering
Yep.
some other taste treats.
And as someone who doesn't like mushrooms,
All the textures that are going on here.
Yeah,
you know, the puff pastry is crispy, and then the mushrooms and the snails are nice and creamy. Well, thank you
what
so
a
much.
fun, different dish to bring to us. Thank
Yes.
Yeah.
You're very welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
We
And I'm
are
happy you tried it.
adventurous.
I am happy you tried it too.
And this is the lesson of Washington Grown.
you. Right. Try
Try
it.
it.
Right.
Try.
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's snails with mushrooms in a creamy brandy sauce, visit us at wagrown.com.